Hi everyone, it's Jules, and today I'm taking my friend Salomé from this to this to this to this to this. Hi everyone, welcome back to Ride or Die. I'm Jules, and today's very special because I get to be an artist on my friend and co-host Salomé, and she's getting a taste of her own medicine, so let's bring her on. Hey girl! Come back!
Got you. Hello.
I'm so excited!
I know, me too.
Oh,
I've been waiting, girl.
Look at this situation.
I mean,
girl.
I feel honored.
No, I'm on it.
Your
Get
seat.
comfortable. Let's get comfortable.
It's exactly right.
Here we are.
So, to be honest, I just feel like I want to cut my hair off, and I want a dramatic change, and I want to feel iconic. I actually love it when people ask me if I'm wearing a wig. When my hair was like neon yellow, I had it neon yellow and like in a bob.
Yes.
And everyone's like, oh, you're wearing a wig. And I love that my hair looked so perfect that it looks fake. So I'm going to give you a few references. So have you ever played Lego?
Yes.
And there's like Lego hair.
Yes, that's what we want. Okay, great.
So either Lego hair or the other one, have you watched Incredibles?
Oh my God, I
like
love
Edna.
Yes, Edna.
Like Edna.
Are you going to walk like this?
I obviously love animations. Yeah, I mean, just a bob and a bang. It's just
Bob and a bang.
Bob and a bang.
I love it.
And I want it to swish. I want like to be like that, like
yes.
when you walk and there's like just like a swish.
Yeah, I'm going to sort of lop some of the dead hair off that you don't want. I'll get rid of the length. But I'm going to wait until the end.
With the fringe.
With a fringe.
Color-wise, what are we thinking?
You're a blonde angel.
Definitely. No. We're
So
not going away from blonde.
No. We're going to clean it up a little bit, but we're going to stay in the warm world.
Yeah, now that I'm going a lot shorter, I feel like it needs to be a bit brighter. So we're going to just like give it a little bit more punch.
Well, the color needs to match the cut.
Yes.
So I think that if you're changing your cut, I think it's great to change your color as well. So yeah, I have a few ideas and a few different toners to play with. And I'm really excited.
I know, me too. Should we get started?
Yeah. Okay.
I guess, to be honest, I think that's a good thing there's no mirror in front of you, because I am a little bit of a control freak. Like, I hate to admit that, but it's true. I feel like whenever they're doing my color as well, like I always like hold the hair or try and like make it better, or like, you know, kind of put tension, or just because I'm like, oh, you're touching, you're overlapping. So it's maybe good that there's no mirror. I must say, I do trust Jules 100%.
I'm about to cut your hair off.
Okay, let me turn around.
Has anyone tried to talk you out of it?
My boyfriend.
Men love long hair.
I know what they love it. They're like, this morning I was speaking to him and he was like, oh, but at least you can grow your hair again. I was like, I'm not cutting it off to grow it again. This is going to be my moment.
Yeah, this is it. Well, the reason why I'm going to get rid of this, we're not coloring this. It's going on the floor. There's no point. And I do that in the salon. If someone's having a really big transformation, I just get rid of all of the length first that we're not going to be using. And it makes my job coloring so much easier. And I also find it's way less product and all that sort of stuff.
Can we talk for a moment about the bob though? Was it Vidal Sassoon?
Vidal Sassoon.
Vidal Sassoon cut the first bob ever. I think it's the most iconic hairstyle in the whole world.
Yeah, I think everybody can rock a bob.
Yeah.
Because there's so many variations of it.
Yeah.
You know, there's layered bobs, there's concave bobs, there's the 5-point haircut that he did, which is phenomenal.
Yeah.
Like, there's so many incredible things you can do, and a lot of it does start from a bob. Oh, look, knowing her, I know that the bob fantasy is real. And I'm a sucker for a bob, so I definitely would go into a bob. I love a pastel moment, and I also know that Salomé wants her hair to dance and swish And I love being able to put dimension in blondes through pastels. And that means, you know, it could just be like little pastels on the ends of the hair. I'm having a very mint moment at the moment.
Oh.
Lots of mint.
What do you use to create the mint?
I use pastel mint
Oh,
in
really?
Lumen. Yep. And if I want to actually dull that down a little bit to make it a little bit more smoky, AB at 9.
Oh, yeah.
Or 10, yeah. If I had no self-control and you were just like, I don't care,
Yeah.
I would put black tips on the end of Salomé's hair. Just like tips on, yeah, that's what I would do.
I mean, that could be cut off.
Exactly, yeah. Because imagine that moving, you know?
That'd be very cool, yes.
Yeah, just something really out there.
It also like accentuates the line.
Yeah,
Like
absolutely.
if you add another line in there. I love that. So 45 minutes, and
Yeah.
then how long are you going to wait until we take the ends through?
Well, we are doing, oh, that was close. We are doing no ammonia. So I'm only going to wait, I think maybe 20 minutes.
Yeah,
And then
we
pop it in.
whack it on.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, your roots are on and they're lightening really
Thank
nice.
you so much. I'm excited.
So I'm coming through with zero ammonia and I'm just like slip, slop, slapping it through the ends. Just so I'm going to clean out some of the color that is already on there, which basically we're just going to take it a little bit brighter so that I've got a cleaner canvas, if I can pick this up, to put a new toner on, because I want to just change the tone a little bit. And if I put a toner straight on this, it's not going to do much. Do you
Yeah.
ever tone your hair, or you literally just
Never.
leave it? Yeah.
I never tone.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is probably not. I actually use an Illumin and like just to like make it acidic and close down that cuticle, just like a clear Illumin
Yeah.
to finish off with. But yeah, I never really. I prefer it without toner normally.
Yeah.
But I'm in your hands today, Dolly.
I guess.
If
It
there's a
kind of
little
looks
bit
like a smoothie.
Very, very.
We have rinsed Salomé, and look, I'm not going to lie, high lift scares me. And I know for you, this is just like, oh, it's what my hair looks like. Not that Salomé actually hasn't seen it yet, so.
Yeah.
Why is it scaring you? Because it's yellow?
Because it's gold, and as hairdressers, all we do is counteract gold.
Yeah, I'm not scared of gold, actually, to be honest. And it definitely looks worse wet than dry.
Absolutely, yeah. So this is fun because I like coming through, and I'm basically just using the nozzle, and I'm basically just coming in. I'm gonna pop it on her roots first. And then, so I've mixed equal parts 10 BV and 10 BG with 4 drops of pure violet. And what's that? That's gonna, what I really want to see is it in natural light, so that when her hair dances, it's got a couple of different hues going on in there. And I'm gonna make your hair dance, so let me like.
Oh, yay.
I love your pictures that you post, and that it just like
Swishes.
swishes. I
Oh.
love it.
I also think hair needs to dance.
Yes.
Like, why be still when you can sparkle?
Yes, and like otherwise it's kind of like you look like a newsreader if your hair doesn't move.
Exactly. Yeah. Yes. This is the nice part when a hairdresser does your hair and you're not doing it in your shower yourself, because normally I just throw Illumin in my shower on.
Yeah, there's purpose behind
This
this.
purpose, we do the roots first.
Clients that are very no.
You know, your hair has a memory.
You could even try being like a month.
Okay, so 10 minutes.
Yeah, done.
I'll get ready at the basin.
It's like a leave-in moisturizer. It's good for blonde hair. Great after colouring. Wet. It's freaking me out a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Hence why I'm quite quiet. But I'm trusting the process.
Nice. Yeah, and dry and wet, so different.
It's
as
polar,
well.
like it's day
Yeah.
and night. All right, I'm going to section out Salomé's fringe first. So we have decided that we're definitely going to do a iconic fringe because that's what you're feeling and that's what you keep leaning towards. And I don't want to not do it and you're going to be like, oh yeah. Do you want it to sit wide? Where would you like it to sit? Because everyone has their little, like what I see and what you see are two different things.
So, I mean, I normally don't mind like a fringe,
Yeah.
but I just don't like
When it
these
cuts-
hairs cut into it.
Yeah.
Too much.
I'm just sort of seeing where it wants to sit right now. Like, we're very similar. I like a really full fringe. Like, if my fringe started way back here, I wouldn't care. Like, I love a fringe, a purposeful fringe. Otherwise, if we don't have enough, it'll look like
a
Beetlejuice.
wispy,
You know, what's that girl from Beetlejuice? Little tiny, like, those things. We don't want that. We want it really purposeful.
There is definitely a too far back.
Oh,
'Cause
yeah.
Hair wants to sit, some hair wants to sit forward and some wants to sit back.
Yeah.
But like you can't also take that and try and push it forward. It's always going to want to fall to the side.
Yeah, so when you look here, we like just by doing this and as it's sort of bouncing a little bit, I can see that this strand, it's not going to sit forward, no matter how much I comb it forward. I mean, you could definitely try and style it that way, but organically not going to sit that way. So I'm looking at that going, okay, well this kind of wants to sit this side, and then wherever behind, like basically where Salomé's eyebrows finish is kind of where I'm going to tuck that. And that's going to be like my little sort of guide to start. Well, I'm going to do the fringe at the end, and then from there I can keep adding pieces in and just check the balance as I go. But if you go too far back, you will literally have like a helmet, and when you bring it forward, you will come back to your ears. That's a look, it's a choice. It's not a choice we're going to make today.
Please no.
I've kind of stopped that idea. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm so excited to see.
Yeah, okay, not yet. Not yet. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Oh my word, it looks incredible.
Yeah. You're back.
Damn.
You are back. Yay!
Shoot, I feel like Cleopatra actually.
Ooh!
Like a blonde
Yes.
Cleopatra. Oh, Engel, this is amazing.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you so much. I actually really like the demarcation
Yeah.
from the pure pigment.
Yeah. Yeah.
It like gives it more a point of
Gives a
interest.
little something something. Yeah, it's beautiful, darling.
Thank you, I love it so much.
Oh wait, we need to show the back.
Cute.
So we need, yeah, so if you hold that, yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Sharp. Wow.
Yeah. Girl. Stop.
In my house, actually, I have a little hair bag with like hair.
Do you actually?
Yeah, I really do have a hair bag. I mean, it's pretty cool. Hair is
it's
such
amazing.
a weird thing that you get to work with, hey?